This is the easiest pot roast you'll ever make. Just one pot right on your stove. Let's get cooking. Start with a 2 to 4 pound chuck roast with beautiful marbling. That's what adds delicious flavor. We'll season generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Season both sides and pat it down with a spoon. Sprinkle the meat generously with flour. The flour helps create a deeper, more savory crust on the meat. Both sides are covered in flour. Let's sear the meat. We'll preheat our pan to medium-high. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil today. Place the roast in the hot pan and sear for 5 minutes on each side. Next time, I'm using a bigger pan. Flip it over, let it continue to sear. We've got the meat seared on both sides, now remove from the pan. Add 1 large chopped onion. I'm using 1 cup of beef stock. Add just half of it now. Now we're cooking. Reduce the heat to low and place the roast back in the pan. Now we'll add the rest of our beef stock. Cover, leave it alone, and let it cook for about 1 hour per pound. This one's going to cook for about 2 hours. Patrick here. 99% of my viewers are not subscribed. Please take a second and click that subscribe button. Cheers! With 1 hour left to cook, I added 1 large chopped potato. It's been 2 hours total cooking time. Let's take a peek. So tender, you can cut it with a fork. If you try this, leave a comment, let me know how it turned out. Remember to subscribe. Let's get cooking.